Do you ever feel like your manufacturing or assembly business is being held together with spreadsheets and guesswork? Are you constantly adjusting for missing raw materials, underpricing your products, or wasting hours tracking production processes? If this sounds like you, then let me tell you how inFlow Manufacturing is here to help. Manufacturing and assembly businesses all face a common set of challenges that include things like managing complex assemblies, cost control and underpricing, stockouts and overstocking, disconnected workflows, and input and yield adjustments. That's where inFlow Manufacturing comes in. Our software is built to bring clarity, speed, and control to your production workflow. And here's how. A bill of materials, or BOM, lists all of the components and raw materials required to produce a finished product. It's basically a list of ingredients used by manufacturers. These BOMs come in either single level for simple products or multi-level for more complex builds. inFlow Manufacturing is one of the few small business manufacturing software solutions that supports both single level and multi-level BOMs right out of the box. This means that you can nest components with sub-assemblies all within a single manufacturer order. So instead of juggling multiple spreadsheets or jumping between separate orders, you can get one centralized plan for the entire build. Every production run starts with a manufacturer order, or MO. Manufacturer orders, sometimes called work orders in other systems, are the blueprints for your production workflow. MOs organize and track the production of your product and bring together the bill of materials, the steps, and the outputs. And with inFlow Manufacturing, MOs are designed to be flexible so that you can adjust inputs or outputs right inside the manufacturer order without having to modify your base BOMs. This is perfect for industries with variable yields like food and beverage or cosmetics, where waste and substitutions are all part of the process. You can assign manufacturer orders to specific team members, add due dates, attach assembly instructions, and even include images or tool lists. And thanks to our visual tree view, you can instantly see what's ready to build, what's missing, and which steps are still in progress. These features make MOs great for onboarding new staff and ensuring quality control. Another great feature inFlow Manufacturing offers is the ability to create a manufacturer order directly from a sales order with just a few clicks. No more breakdown in communications between departments. Your costs of goods manufactured refers to the total cost of producing a finished product. This includes raw materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. If you're not tracking your costs of goods manufactured, there's a very high likelihood that you're underpricing your products. If this sounds like you're not alone. A lot of small businesses don't have a solid grasp on their costs of goods manufactured, especially when they're using pen and paper or spreadsheets. With inFlow Manufacturing, every BOM includes material costs, labor, and any additional expenses. This gives you a true picture of what each product actually costs you to make, which will allow you to price your products accordingly and maintain your desired profit margins. And with our automated markup settings, you can set separate prices for retail and wholesale that adjust dynamically as your costs change. So if your cost of goods manufactured goes up, your margins stay protected, no math required. Tracking inputs and outputs for manufacturers can be a total nightmare, especially if you're using manual methods. But with inFlow Manufacturing, you have a built-in barcoding system that works with your tablet, smartphone, or computer. You can connect a barcode scanner of your choice or simply use your camera on your device. The choice is yours. You can use barcodes to track your raw materials, intermediate goods, finished products, packing materials, or even expensive assets. Take the confusion and guesswork out of loading your assembly and production lines by simply scanning components in and out. Barcodes will help ensure that your inventory always remains up to date during every step of the production process. Even if you're not a full-blown manufacturer, it doesn't mean that you won't get any value out of inFlow Manufacturing. Maybe you assemble kits, bundle items together for retail, or do light product customization. Our software handles all of those things beautifully. You can create product bundles in the system, define a BOM for the bundle, and even automate the assembly once a sale comes in. So if a customer places an order for a kit, inFlow can automatically create and complete a manufacturer order behind the scenes, adjusting inventory for each component in real time. You can even push the quantity buildable for each bundle to your e-commerce site so that your storefront reflects what you're actually able to ship. Every business is different, and the software that you use should be able to adapt to your specific needs. And this is where inFlow Manufacturing shines. It's used across industries such as industrial machinery, cosmetics, electronics, and even repair services. Whether you're building batches based on demand or disassembling items for refurbishment, inFlow has the flexibility to support your unique workflow. We even support reverse BOMs. So say, for example, that you sell refurbished bicycles. You can use reverse BOMs to break down the damaged bike, discard any broken or defective parts, and then add the remaining components to your available inventory. From there, you can create a new BOM and replace the necessary parts to create a new finished product that's ready for resale. And here's the thing, inFlow Manufacturing has a ton of non-manufacturing related features that businesses love. Need to make sure that you never run out of a critical component? Set reorder points and we'll alert you when it's time to restock. Curious about your performance? Our reporting tools make it easy to sort, filter, and analyze your data without spending hours digging through hectic spreadsheets. Want to track something specific about your inventory? Use custom fields to store information that matters to your business, whether it's batch numbers, inspection results, machine types, customer part numbers, you name it, you can track it. So whether you're managing a full-blown manufacturing facility or just doing simple assemblies, inFlow Manufacturing gives you the visibility, control, and flexibility that you need. Start your 14-day free trial today to see for yourself how inFlow Manufacturing can improve your workflow.